Hi, this is Jim with Glenside Library, and welcome to the first in a series of Microsoft Office Quick Tips. Today, we're going to take a look at Microsoft Excel's Flash Fill, a powerful method for making changes to many rows of data with just a few keystrokes or mouse clicks. Here we've got some sample data. We've got our new employees. We've got last names and first names, and we want to create full names. Now, our formatting is a little wonky in places, right? We've got some all uppercase, we've got a few all lowercase, and a lot of proper case. Now, we've established a pattern for Excel, and this is crucial for Flash Fill. Notice we have taken Jalali Koman and capitalized the J in Jalali and made proper case of his last name. At this point, anywhere in this column, as long as there's relevant data, we can do a flash fill. How do we do that? Well, it's a couple of different places. On the Data tab, there's a button for flash fill. From the Home tab, all the way over to the right in the Editing group, from the Fill drop down, there's a flash fill button. Or we can use the keyboard shortcut Control E. And voila. Notice everyone is filled down properly, and all the names are formatted correctly. Now I'm going to hit undo very quickly because I want to show you one other way to do flash fill. You may be familiar with Autofill in Excel, which is done by grabbing the fill handle and dragging down. Now normally with text, all it's going to do is repeat the data. So if I want a bunch of Jalali Komans, great. However, there is a menu, an autofill options menu, where I could have done flash fill here as well. So that's yet another way. Let's take a look at the next tab, phone numbers. We've got 10 employee phone numbers. Not formatted, right? Just 10 numbers run together. In here, we've created, once again, an example. So here I'm going to do flash fill, properly formatted phone numbers. And of course, we've done 10 in this case, but we could have done 100 or 50,000. Doesn't really matter. One more example. We want to create our employee emails. So we've got last name, first name, and our emails are going to take the form of first initial, last name at fakecode.com. So here I'll do Control E. Boom, fills down, but if we look closely, we'll see, well, that's not right. Everyone's first initial is a J, right? It's supposed to be T-A-Z. And also fakecode.com, fakecode.fro, .gar, .may, something's not right. Well, in this case, flash fill looked at the last name Coleman and assumed that's where I was taking the COM from. So let's undo. In this case, I'm just going to type in Alexei Frolov's new email address. And now Control E. And everything fills down properly. Excel looked at the pattern that had been established just by doing the first two names, the first two email addresses, and worked properly. Again, this can be a huge time saver for you. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you.